kind of air are we breathing? The quality of the air we breathe depends on our surroundings. The air we breathe when we are out in nature has a fresh, revitalizing quality thanks to ions generated by sun and soil. Ions are nature's way of purifying the air and controlling molds, bacteria, and viruses. Unfortunately, most of us spend up to 90% of our time indoors, where there is no natural ionization source. As a result, indoor air contains various kinds of invisible pollutants that can endanger our health and sense of well-being. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, indoor air is 3 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Air conditioning systems make indoor living comfortable year-round. But can they restore the clean, green health benefits of natural air? Now they can. Introducing the Stereonizer window. The Stereonizer is an innovative bipolar ionization generator. It easily converts air conditioning systems into sources of pure and healthy natural air. The Stereonizer window is based on bipolar ionization technology. It produces a measurable quantity of negative and positive oxygen ions through plasma discharge. These charged ions, together with water molecules in the air, cluster around the microparticles. At that point, a chemical reaction occurs, producing oxidants that break down the protein structure of pollutants, rendering them harmless. Increasing the quantity of charged oxygen ions to fresh air levels results in continuous deactivation of viruses, bacteria, mold spores, and allergens. Odor neutralization. Volatile organic compound control. Stereonizer family. Tiny devices, significant benefits. The Stereonizer window is designed to integrate easily into various types of systems: air conditioners, air purifiers, dehumidifiers, fans, and blowers. The Stereonizer window is easy to clean and simple to maintain. It has very low energy consumption and is virtually ozone-free. The Stereonizer transforms air conditioning solutions into cost-effective, clean, purifying devices that continuously neutralize allergens and viruses for a protected, healthy living environment. For more information, visit us at www.stereonizer.com.